Understanding the Hard Truth, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, the hard truth. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this phrase. The hard truth refers to a fact or reality that is difficult or unpleasant to accept or admit. It's often used in situations where acknowledging this truth is essential, even though it might be uncomfortable or unwelcome. This phrase emphasizes the challenge in facing reality, as opposed to ignoring or avoiding it. To better understand how the hard truth is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Facing the hard truth about our environmental problems is essential for finding solutions. 2. The doctor told him the hard truth about his health condition. 3. Sometimes, the hard truth is that not all dreams come true. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in environmental, health, and personal contexts, always highlighting a challenging reality. Knowing synonyms and related phrases can expand your understanding. Here are a few. Bitter pill to swallow, inconvenient truth, stark reality, unpleasant fact. These synonyms convey a similar idea of accepting something difficult or uncomfortable. When using the hard truth, remember, it's used to highlight truths that are often unpleasant or challenging to accept. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Pair it with sensitive and empathetic language, especially in personal conversations. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the hard truth. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English comprehension and makes you a more effective communicator. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more insights in our next video.